Hello sweetie, welcome back to my channel. So today I have another talking video, and this is a surprising box of, I think it is about $10 box, and it has 13 pieces in just this box. So do you remember the one with the $20, and this is look like a panda box? You can go check in my talking playlist video and see which one is the $20 box with, I think that the thumbnail is with my face over there. So there is a $20, so this is the $10, so this is a little bit cheaper. So I don't know what inside here either. So there are three, so the $10, $20, and the other big one is $30, but I never bought the $30 yet, just only 10 and 20 because the big one is already out of stock. So yeah, the same thing. I got this one from Taobao, so I don't think it is available in other place like AliExpress or something like that, but you can try to check. And the other way, you can take a camera. You mean like, I mean like in every app like AliExpress, Lazada, or any online app, they have like a camera in the search bar, so you can search from the camera with this picture. I will hold still for you guys, and then they will pop up in like the apps if it is available. If it is not, I cannot have either. So this is the way I search the product from any online store. So I just teach you how to do that. So I hope it is just a part of help to all of you to search for the new sticker. And the most keyword that we use for is Kawaii sticker, Kawaii sticker set, Kawaii stationery, or Kawaii blind box. So you can try with those words and make sure it is right for you. But if you go like for small mochi or tilade, so it's fine. It is fine because like they are really popular, and most of the product of the small mochis and tilade is available in many online store, AliExpress, Lazada, Amazon. So I hope this one is available either. So let's see what we have here. So this box is look like a ball for these guys, and this is what they promise inside, and it has 13 pieces inside this box. So let's see. Wow. Well, $10 is not bad, but I'm not sure whether what we can use on this box. Hold on, I need to make it easy for me. Okay, cool. So I think this one I used to open in the $10 bags. So this is DIY your own beer. So it's come with the same stuff, but this one is different color. I remember the previous one had the purple one. Oh my god. So you know what, I like this one. I still keep this one next to me. Hold on. So this is the purple. Oh my goodness, my hand always slips. So this is the previous one. I got the purple, and now I got the peach color. So this is not really pink, it is a peach color, and yeah, I like this. So this one is really helpful. Even I don't put it together, so I can use as the keychain, or you know, like it sounds really good. And yeah, so this is something they come to do with that. So just like a tag, and you need to bend this material to be like a bear, and you put this one mixing the color and put on this cloth to make it like a peach over here. So it comes with two eye and nose either, you can see that, the black stuff. And this is another accessory. So this one is from Samsung, so the same company. So I just keep it here. I always I always say that I will do the DIY, but it's really take time for me to do that. And actually for DIY it's almost the same stuff example like the quiet book, it's almost the same thing. So I think if I do that, I do that like a lot of videos of the stuff, so it feel like a little bit boring, you know, just stick and take it out and put in a book. So it's just similar. All the quiet books just similar, except for small mochi and tea letters, there's a lot difference. And this is the free sticker. So I think if you go and buy yourself, so if you buy it by itself, it costs you around $5 already. It's not cheap either. So I appreciate with someone that can order the product from Taobao. I think maybe around 10 countries or over like 12 something. So US is available. I remember US, Korean, and well, I'm not sure. I remember we have United States in the Korean and a few more countries, but I don't remember. You can try to search on Google to see like which country that Taobao is available. And I think right now Taobao have like English version, so you can change the English version in their setting. So try to check on YouTube. So this is nice. This is San. I never have this sticker before. Super cool. Oh, this color is look really nice. This green. And come with this 2 sticker either. Okay, cool. Move on. What is this? I think I got this one before either. So this is perfectly used with the journal, the one that I said before, the journal that it is not the vintage journal or Kawaii journal. It's just like Korean. I think they say like Korean journal. Even you search on AliExpress, you say like Korean journal supply. It will be pop up similar to this stuff. And yeah, I really like this material. So like this one, it looks really nice. You can make it as a tag either for this stuff. And this is white paper. So this is so cool. So I'm still love this package of the products, and it's look really nice. The picture is so cool because I think I really love Chinese ancient like that. It's cool. Yes, a lot. So this is nice. If I have chance, I will make a journal and put it on, upload it on the Kawaii ASMR. But not right now. So just put it aside. Again, this one is the orange pocket, so I don't want to open either. And I think this one also I got one either. So I used to remember to buy this kind of sticker, and it cost me around more than $10. At that time I bought it through AliExpress, so it's really expensive there, but you know, I have no choice, but I still got from AliExpress. This is like playwear sticker, and also you can make this sticker on your journal, and also you can make it on any like cover or on the book. So this is a lot of sticker with the backgrounds, and I don't think this is a new design one because I have it like 2 years ago. So if you don't mind, it is old sticker. It's so cool because you know this background is really nice. You can make a scrapbook, you can make a journal, or just stick wherever you want. So it's really good. And also this one never expire, so you can use this on the keychain or on your journal. It's nice. Okay, move on. And this is the wardrobe. Yeah, so this one I think I got it last time too. So this is the clothes, and this is our cute girl. So you need to put it on the background and put the clothes on for her. So like this one. It seems like it is a photo frame. So, oh, this clothes is really nice. Hold on, I need to put for her. Yay, so cool. So this is if you have like a photo frames, you can change it every day if you want. And it's also come with the sticker to decorate on the side. Oh, nice. I'll have this one either. Hold on, I need to change her clothes. Cool. So I think I love this style. It's more like Y2K style. Okay, it's a lot already, so I can count it like $30, $40 already. And this book, I think last time I got the same book, the same grade books. So I hope I can get the different style. So this is nice. You can make a list, and there has many. Here, see, many style, and you can tear it. Come on. Cool. So this is good. You can make a journal. You can make a note. It's okay. So this book is cool. And oh, actually the cover, it is a hard cover. And the paper is purple, so I still love this one. And also it comes with the pin. So I got a lot of pin, but I don't know where I keep it because there are too many. And this is San, and also come with this one. Okay, so this is DIY. This is DIY. So it's come with a lot of material. So this material, so I don't sew inside, but I will let, oh my god, this box, I will let you guys know, like when you bend everything that comes with the stick, I mean like in the package, and then what you got is this one. This is the result that you get from. So if you like this style, it's good, and I think you spend maybe around $8 to $10 for this one. Oh, cool. So already like $50. So this is the last three stuff. I think this is just only like the grid line of the purple washi tape, so I don't need to open that one. And for this one, I already opened one. It's just like a price tag, and it is good to use on the vintage journal, not the Kawaii. So but if you are really creative, so you can remix with the Kawaii, but I'm not, I'm just normal. So this is San. So this one I have shown you already once, but I still, because just in case you have skip this video. So this is the last piece. You know, like I really don't, I mean like I don't really like the sticker with like too small like this, because you know it's take really long time. It take me really long time to finish one page of journal because it is really small, but the sticker is really cute. So anyone have like a mini book or mini journal, you can use on this one. Cool. So yes, this design is really nice, but I'm not sure this is a new design or the previous design, but look like new instead of the old one. Oh my god, I cut my hand. Just this sticker. Can you see that? Oh gee. Be careful guys. So this is experience. I never cut anything with sticker like this. This is really long story. Okay, so this is all for the sticker. That's really nice. So all in all, if you want to purchase this box, or if you are available to purchase this box, it is really good. Just $10 and you get a lot of stuff. Okay, thank you everyone for watching my video. See you in next video. Bye bye.